Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook search history. So to do that, open the Facebook application and then get logged in. So once you are logged in into the Facebook, you need to tap on the search icon on the top. Tap on that. This will give you all the recent searches that you have made on Facebook. In the recent, just beside it, you can see the see all option. You tap that. This will give you all the search results that you have made. You can tap on searches, which will give you the profile search. You tap on visit, which will give you the profile that you have visited. So I'm going to tap on all and delete each and every search that I have made. So all you have to do is tap on clear all on top right, tap that. This will remove your entire search history on every device. You cannot undo it. Tap on clear all. There is no more search history left in here. Nothing to see here. This is a way how you can delete Facebook search history. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.